Ready to take your streams and content to a whole new level with crystal clear audio and stunning visuals? Let's dive into Nvidia Broadcast, your secret weapon for professional quality content creation. First, ensure you have an RTX graphics card. Then download and install Nvidia Broadcast directly from the GeForce Experience app or the Nvidia website. Once installed, open the application. The main interface is incredibly intuitive. Start by selecting your microphone, speaker, and camera from the drop-down menus. You'll be working primarily with three key sections: microphone, speaker, and camera. Let's begin with your microphone. In the microphone section, the magic truly starts. With noise removal, simply enable it, and Nvidia Broadcast uses AI to silence background distractions like keyboard clicks, fan noise, and even your neighbor's lawnmower. Adjust the intensity slider for optimal performance. Try speaking while tapping on a desk or running the hairdryer, and see the noise disappear. Now, the speaker section offers a similar feature: noise removal for incoming audio. This is perfect if people around you are noisy on your video calls, streaming, or Discord conversations. Turn this on. Test the sound and enjoy crystal clear audio without listening to your audience's background distractions. Next, let's elevate your visuals with the camera options. The most popular feature here is background removal. With a simple click, eliminate your background and instantly replace with a virtual background, blurring it all together. Or you can choose a custom image. This is perfect for maintaining a professional look, no matter where you are. For the ultimate refinement, there is auto frame, which allows for automatic framing of yourself to keep you in front of your viewers if your stream or recording setup is not steady, or if you move around. Auto frame allows for the camera to follow your movement from an appropriate frame. The Nvidia Broadcast technology offers an impressive amount of features that can elevate your video content. Nvidia Broadcast provides a streamlined and easy-to-use system, allowing you to focus on creating great content. Try playing around now, because you are just a few clicks away from having the perfect stream and recordings. #Nvidia Broadcast #streaming tips.